Hey there! My name is Marcus Dustoft. I'm one of the product trainers here at DocuSign University, and in this trainer tip video, we'll dive into setting up a signing order in DocuSign, why it matters, how it works, and a few tips to speed up your envelope completion. Let's get into it. First, we're in the Prepare Envelope view. By default, DocuSign sets up a parallel signing order, meaning each recipient gets the email notification at the same time. Everyone signs at their convenience, which keeps things moving fast. Here's an example for 3 signers and 1 carbon copy recipient. Want to control who signs when? Just turn on Set Signing Order. Now you've got a sequential setup, perfect for when you need one person to sign before others. Just a quick tip, add recipients in the desired signing order before enabling signing order to avoid rearranging them. To adjust the order, click and drag the recipient's handle to move them into the right position. Watch out though, if you swap spots, the numbering may need tweaking. As long as each recipient has a unique number, the sequence flows perfectly, even if a number is missing, like 1, 3, 4, and 5. Want some recipients to sign at the same time while others wait? Enter the same number for parallel signers, like 1, 2, 2, and 3. Plus, use the CC option to auto-send completed documents to recipients afterwards. No extra downloads or manual emails needed. Double check everything with the signing order diagram. Click View next to Set Signing Order and you'll see your entire flow at a glance. Click recipient initials in the signing order diagram to see full names, emails and role icons like Signer or CC, which is perfect for spotting any issues before you hit send. Now, complete preparing the envelope as per usual, add your fields and send it off. Remember, with sequential order, if someone delays, others have to wait. So for urgent documents, consider parallel signing. And if you make a mistake or forget to enable a signing order, don't worry. Use the correction tool to fix the order or enable signing order on a send envelope. Also, you can view the signing order and track each recipient's progress in the sent envelope by clicking on Signing Order, which shows recipient status by color. For next in line, waiting, and completed, or perhaps indicating an issue. That's a wrap on signing orders in DocuSign. Keep your process smooth and efficient with these tips, and happy signing!